What's the meaning of cottage hospital? Cottage hospital. Cottage hospital.
Cottage hospital. Cottage hospital. A cottage hospital is a small medical facility that typically serves rural or remote areas. These hospitals are usually equipped with basic medical equipment and offer limited services, often including emergency care, outpatient treatment, and some minor surgeries. Unlike larger hospitals, cottage hospitals generally have fewer than 25 beds and employ a smaller staff. These hospitals are designed to be more accessible to patients who live in remote areas and may not have easy access to larger facilities. The goal of a cottage hospital is to provide basic healthcare services to patients who might otherwise go without.